Hello, database dev people. I haven't talked to you in a while, and I have a couple updates for you on how the course is going. So here's our little schedule. 316 last week, you were supposed to be completing the NWTC assignment 6 assignment, and that is with household and service. That should be turned in. I am missing that from a few of you, so you want to get that turned in as soon as possible. Um, this week, there's an extra credit activity. It is optional. It's extra credit for NWTC as well. I think it's a plus 25, so you can complete that one if you want to. So kind of like a little vacation. And then next week, you'll start with exam part 1. It's a multiple choice true and false test that is in Schoology. It is written by NWTC, and that is due next week, Friday the 3rd. And then I also put the part 2 out there because that's a dependency diagram and an ERD diagram. And that's due April 10th, which is the week of Easter. So if some of you had plans, I put that out there now so you could take a peek at it. Anyways, these are NWTC exams and you should be completing them to the best of your ability. If you have any questions on anything, please drop me an email and let me know if you need any help. Thank you. Talk to you guys later. Have a good week. Bye.